In this video, I'll show you how to remove a green screen in DaVinci Resolve using the built-in 3D keyer effect. To get started, make sure your green screen clip is placed on the timeline. Now open the effects panel from the top left. If you don't see it, click the effects button to reveal the toolbox. Under OpenFX, search for 3D keyer. Click and drag the 3D keyer effect onto your green screen clip in the timeline. Next, make sure the clip is selected, then go to the top right and open the inspector. Under the Effects tab, click the small icon labeled OpenFX Overlay to enable it. Now in the preview window, click and drag across the green area of your background. DaVinci Resolve will automatically key out the green screen from that section. If you notice a green edge or leftover spill around your subject, you can clean it up by adjusting the Despill slider in the inspector. Just increase it until the green outline disappears. At this point, the green screen has been successfully removed and you're free to place any background or footage underneath the keyed clip. And that's it. You've just removed a green screen in DaVinci Resolve using the 3D keyer, quick, clean, and no plugins required.